beautiful people, it's your girl Just Got Talent. How you all doing? Hope you're doing great. Welcome to my kitchen and happy weekend to you all, my amazing subscribers, my wonderful YouTuber family. Thank you all so much for watching my video. Thanks for your comment, guys. Guys, I cannot imagine how your comment makes me feel. Your comment makes me feel good. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Guys, today's video is all about pasta. Yeah, another great recipe. Yeah, pasta recipe. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to prepare this pasta. So stay tuned. I'm back, guys. I just put water on the fire. The water has boiled, so I'm gonna put the pasta inside. Put the pasta inside. Then we'll let it boil for 10 minutes. We don't need to be too done. Okay, stay tuned. I'm back, guys. The pasta is already boiling, but there's something I forgot to do to introduce my ingredients, guys. So we have the pasta boiling already, and I have fried meat. I have a green pepper. I have a sliced tomato. I have sliced carrots. I also have a sliced onion, the purple onion, guys. Then I have my olive oil, and I have a concentrated tomato, and I also have dry pepper, and I have seasoning cubes, and I also have fried onion, guys. Guys, fried onion is very good to prepare any dish of your choice. And I got a basil, guys, and I also got a oregano. It's very nice to make your pasta. And I also have celery here. So guys, stay tuned for the next step. I'm back, guys. First we put I'm gonna start making the little sauce to mix the pasta. First we put the olive oil. Then we put the onion. Let's see if it's hot already. No, we still have to wait a little bit. Stay tuned. We put the onion. The onion. A little bit. Then we put the green pepper. Then we put the concentrated tomato. You have to have a little bit of olive oil. Yeah. Wow. Then we put the carrots. The aroma is really, really good. Then we put the sliced tomato. And now we apply the spices. We're gonna first put the basil, oregano, celery, now the celery, look at it, very nice. I will put the fried onion, I will put the fresh pepper, sorry, dry pepper. Now we'll put the seasoning cubes. Very easy, and the taste is really great. You have to try it for your kids. They will love it. So guys, so we'll turn it. Wow. So now we allow it to boil for 10 minutes. So stay tuned, I'll be back. Guys, it's almost ready, and the pasta is ready. Look at the pasta is ready. So we're gonna put a little bit of the big stuff. Look at it, because the sauce is too thick. Put a little bit. So we'll cover it for another 2 minutes. Stay tuned. I'm back, guys. It's almost ready. So now we'll put the fried beef inside. Then we have the pasta. Wow. You see the pasta is not so too done. I hope my pan will be enough for this pasta. A little bit small, but we can manage. It's almost ready. I don't need to change my pan for this because I hate too much pan. Oh guys, I love my pan to be clean out, so I think it's okay. It's almost ready. Wow, this pasta recipe, guys, just watch this video to the end to see how I prepare this delicious pasta recipe. If you try this recipe, this is what you'll be preparing for your children or for the family. Okay, so let's wait for the pasta to just fry a little bit, like 2 minutes, because it's already done. So stay tuned. It's ready, guys. Stay tuned while I dish it out, okay? That is it, guys. This is the outcome of my delicious pasta with beef. Wow, this pasta is really a special pasta. Okay, you can try it and let me know what you think about this recipe. Okay, if it makes sense to you, give me a thumbs up and leave your comment. If you're just passing by, you like my video, subscribe to Just Got Talent TV for more of my interesting video. Okay, guys, bye. See you guys on my next video. Bye.